Hi, in this update, I will show you how to make custom Windows pop-up. Let's start it. First, we are going to make a custom Windows pop-up with this tool. I will put the link in the description, then just write your custom pop-up and hit convert. Then just copy the data. Now let's go to the app and open it. Then go to the advertiser and add new advertising packet. In display, just write Windows Custom, then hit Add Record. Now open manufacturer data. In first row, just write 0006. In second row, first write 030008. Then your custom text and hex data, the one we copy, in start of video. After adding or custom text data, hit OK, then expand option. And in interval, write 160, and in TX power level, write 1, and hit OK. Now let's turn it on and test it. As you can see, my custom text pop-up appears in Windows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.